Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg curry quickly. First, gather all your ingredients including pre-boiled eggs, onions, tomatoes, and your favorite spices. Next, we will prepare a rich, aromatic gravy base. Then we will add the perfect blend of spices and a touch of water to achieve the ideal consistency. Finally, we will gently fold in the eggs, ensuring they are well coated in the delicious sauce. To begin our flavorful gravy, heat a little oil in a pan and sauté your finely chopped onions until they become beautifully golden brown and soft. Next, add a spoonful of ginger garlic paste, cooking it for about 1 minute until its aroma fills your kitchen. Then, stir in the tomato puree, letting it cook down until the oil visibly separates, indicating a rich base. Finally, season this base with salt, turmeric, and a pinch of red chili powder. Now it is time to elevate the flavor profile. Introduce your powdered spices, such as coriander and cumin, stirring them well into the rich gravy base. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of water, adjusting for your preferred curry consistency. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes so the flavors can meld beautifully. Finally, carefully add your pre-boiled eggs, either whole or halved, into the simmering sauce. To complete your delicious egg curry, generously garnish it with fresh, vibrant chopped cilantro. This adds a wonderful burst of freshness and color. Allow the curry to rest for just a few minutes. This helps the flavors deepen and settle. Serve your hot, aromatic egg curry with fluffy rice, warm naan bread, or any flatbread you prefer. Enjoy this quick, satisfying, and homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.